Good morning, beautiful world. We are heading to the drop zone. We're gonna go take Papa Farro for a little skydive. We're doing the early morning jumps. You get that nice light. The sky is just blowing up on this sunrise. Hopefully, the conditions are good and we can get Dad in the sky. I will see you guys at the drop zone. I'm like 5 minutes away. I just don't want to drive and vlog anymore. These are the meat missiles that are going in the airplane.
Meat sacks, more like it. Yeah, brother.
These guys are ready.
So ready.
55 seconds of free fall. Pure happiness.
Just delight.
It's enough to shit your pants and throw up.
Yeah, enough time.
We'll see you guys in the airplane.
Let's do it.
Bumps again.
Sleeping mountains where our white toes plunged into the weeping shelter tower. Our skin up off from the bottom leaves our ankles bare. Don't just wander back and forth and leave it. Build it into pinnacles and shrines of some ghastly predicament in mind you'll find. Leaves us plastered to a bed of hairs with me all curled up near the bottom with my chest unburied. Obedear, the sky is low. Gather up its harm in guards with grateful arms. Obedear, the sky is low. Gather up its harm in guards with grateful arms.
Yeah, oh my God, that's incredible. I understand why this nut does this a lot. Up there with my kid holding hands, so good.
Good times.
Yeah.
How was that, Peter?
It was so good.
It's good here, yeah.
Barrel roll, looking at the plane for like 10 seconds.
Nice. Oh yeah, Peter.
What's up?
Why don't you take this intro away, babe? I'm gonna put it on you.
Hello, beautiful world.
I love it. Let's get back to what's on hand today. I haven't vlogged in like a week because it's just been crazy. We've had family.
Foils life.
Yeah,
He's too busy foiling.
All I do is foil. How can I vlog if I'm just foiling all the time?
Yeah, I don't know.
But we've had family in town, it's been windy, there's been waves, it's just been full North Shore activity, so I haven't had much time to pull the camera out, been hosting, but things have kind of slowed down. We still have some homies. We're gonna go meet up with them at Waimea and go watch the surf because it's pumping right now. I'd say it's like 25, 30 foot. Big boards doing the big wood eddy go drops.
Yep.
And that should be pretty fun. All right, we'll see you there. Aaron, will you drive? What? I have someone to drive so I can shoot all the magnificent B-roll. Look at this beautiful Honda Element. Ready for a day full of activities. lock it up.
Lock up the car.
Waimea Bay opening day was pretty cool.
It was super cool.
There was lots of waves. There was a lot of time between sets.
Yeah, but then the sets came in and they were huge.
Yeah. It was
That
like,
one that cleaned everyone out was massive.
like waves were cleaning out the whole beach. The lifeguards, man, the poor lifeguards, they have to deal with all of the tourists who just have no idea or concept of 30 minutes between sets. Today is the ultimate cruisy day on the North Shore. We're at the rental house that my parents rented while they're staying here. Hang out because the waves are too big to surf right now and there's no wind. This is just the cruisiest day of all days.
Oh,